I want you to imagine a world where your TV box is more powerful than your game console. A world where streaming isn't just 4K, it's 8K. Where your living room device runs on the same class of chip as Apple's flagship iPhone. That world isn't 5 years away. According to leaks, Apple TV 4K 2026 is about to make it real. And yes, some people are asking a wild question. Is this the beginning of the end for consoles like the PS5? Let's start with the upgrade that changes everything. The A19 chip. This isn't a small speed bump. The A19 is expected to deliver massive GPU gains, console-level ray tracing, and next-gen AI acceleration. Apple isn't just making menus smoother anymore. They're building a device that can render complex games, upscale video intelligently, and run Apple Intelligence locally. This is the most powerful Apple TV ever. Now let's talk about the headline feature, 8K support. Yes, true 8K output, not marketing fluff. The A19 chip combined with next-gen HDMI could finally allow native 8K playback, AI upscaling, and ultra-high frame rate video. Even if you don't own an 8K TV yet, Apple is clearly future-proofing the living room. This isn't about today, it's about owning the next decade. So, goodbye PS5? Not exactly, but things are getting uncomfortable. With Apple Arcade expanding, AAA developers optimizing for Apple Silicon, and Metal Graphics pushing console-level visuals, the line is starting to blur. No discs, no loud fans, no downloads that take hours. Just turn it on and play. For casual and cloud gaming, this could be a console killer. And then there's Apple Intelligence. Imagine your Apple TV knowing what you want to watch before you search. Auto-generating highlights, smart recommendations across every app, voice commands that actually understand context. tvOS 2026 isn't just an interface. It's a brain. Add seamless handoff with iPhone, spatial audio with AirPods, FaceTime on TV, and instant game controller pairing, and you start to see Apple's real goal. Not just a streaming box. A central hub for entertainment, gaming, and AI. So here's the real question. Would you replace your console with an Apple TV this powerful, or does gaming still belong on dedicated hardware? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash like if this blew your mind, subscribe for more leaks, and hit the bell, because Apple's living room takeover is just getting started. Welcome to the future.